Guys, I'm going to show you how to make calls with Kinley. That way you don't have to show your phone number if you're uncomfortable with that. And it's also pretty cool because it'll record your phone calls as well. So the first thing you need to do is go to kinley.app and you're going to log in using the credentials that you've always used for Kinley. And so this is my dashboard. Yours might look a little bit different, but over here on the left, you're going to see all the different options. And there's a new option called calling. So you're going to click there. And this is what you're going to see. So what you're going to do is you're going to put in the parent's phone number right here. You'll put in the student's name for recording purposes. That way they know, or when you look at your records, you know who you were calling. And then you're going to click call. So what it does is it uses your computer's audio and microphone. So you're calling from your laptop and it calls that number with a fake number, and it doesn't look suspicious. It's like I think it's a 601 number. So it looks kind of local. I think it looks like it's from Jackson. But even if they don't answer, you can still leave a voicemail. And this is in the beta. It's not completely polished. So you can't mute yourself right now. It's going to give you an error, and it says it's recording. So if you click on these, it's going to pop up with an error. But just ignore those for now. It'll let you do basically what you need to do. And then when you're finished calling, at the bottom, every call that you've made will all be down here under call history, and you can click play and listen to the call for documentation purposes if you need that. Just another cool option. I know some people are kind of uncomfortable calling from their cell phone, and now that we can't be at the school with phones, this is just another option for you. And I like that it has a recording of the call. So use this if you think it's useful for you.